Hi, I'm Steve Anderson, and in my recent tech tip on creating complex passwords for mobile devices, I received a comment from Paul Silva with the Benson, Young and Downs Agency in Massachusetts, and he said that you can now turn off the simple passcode, the one that uses just 4 digits, in Apple's iOS platforms. That would be the iPhone and the iPad, which gives you the ability to have a longer password. Well, I was intrigued by that, and so I did some more research and found that absolutely that is true. And I created the following video to show you exactly how you can set that up if you have an iOS device. As I said, an iPhone or an iPad. Let's go and watch that video now, and I'll take you step by step through the process. This is my main iPad screen. The process works the same way whether you have an iPad or an iPhone. The operating system works the same way. The first step is to touch on the Settings button, which will bring you to the main screen, and then select General. That then will show the passcode lock section. You touch on that, and you'll be taken to turning on your passcode. On the simple passcode, you'll enter a 4-digit number, and you'll re-enter the number just to make sure that you've entered it correctly. At this point, the passcode has been turned on. So if we have our iPad or iOS go to sleep and then wake it back up, slide to unlock, we now have to enter that passcode. In this case, it was 1234. By the way, I do not recommend that you use that passcode. Now, the second step is we're going to go back in and touch on passcode. We have to enter the code that we entered in previously, 1234. And we're going to turn off the passcode. Again, we have to enter each time we want to make a change. So, simple passcode, we're now going to turn off. We select the slide bar to turn off the simple passcode. Next, we touch on Turn Passcode On, and now you notice that we can enter using a keyboard a combination of alphanumeric and special characters. In this case, I'm adding the passcode as ABC1234. I'm re-entering the passcode to verify that it was entered correctly based on what I want. So now we've changed our passcode from a simple 4-digit to a more complex alphanumeric and special character. So we turn off, we wake it up, again slide to unlock, and now our keyboard comes up because we have a complex password. So we enter ABC1234 as our passcode to access our device. So as you can see, we can have a much more complex passcode, which is a good thing from a security standpoint. Now we're going to go back in and make one more change. Again, enter your passcode, ABC1234, using the keyboard. We're going to go turn the passcode off again, enter our passcode one more time, and touch on Done when we're ready. And we're going to add a new passcode, except in this case, we're going to add only numerics, so no alpha. And in this case, I'm entering 123456 as the passcode. I'm entering that again to verify that is the correct code I want to use. I'm touching Done, and now that new passcode has been entered as only digits, but longer than the 4 that we have with a simple passcode. I'm putting the iPad back to sleep, waking it back up, sliding to unlock, and now you notice we don't get the keyboard, but we get just the numeric keypad, and I can enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then touch on OK to unlock the device. So as we've been able to see here, we can actually create a much more secure by using a combination of numerics only but longer, or alphanumeric. We'll bring up the keyboard. This short video has shown that anyone using an iOS device in your insurance organization can take steps to provide a higher level of security on that device by using appropriate parts of the passcode lock. This is Steve Anderson. Thanks for watching.